Hey guys, I'm Prem Solanki and this is awesome LED light which you can buy from Amazon for 350 rupees. So let's get started. To the build quality, this light is made up of some kind of a metal element, maybe aluminum, steel or something. I don't know, but it is metal. So it's good for the heat dissipation because this light does get warm, but it's not that uncomfortable. Like I can hold this light in my hand. This light does come with a IR remote, so it is a very generic remote, and the remote it is print all the different colors which it can output, and you can just mix and match and get your desired kind of color. So anyway, it has some kind of this kind of hook, so you can hang it somewhere or you can just place it. So in the past, most of my video were lit by DIY LED light panel, and I was pretty happy with it, but then I gave away that light to my friends. I was looking to make one more LED light, but I thought there could be some better option on the Amazon, so I went on the Amazon and found this light. And this is called known as floodlight, and this light is used to light up the facade of a house. And you can find this kind of light for 350 rupees if you're going for RGB, and if you're just going for a single color you can find this for just even for under 200 or 150 rupees, which is a very good deal if you just want to stick to one color. But since I want to spice it up and want to change the color, I got the RGB variant, but I'm also thinking to buy a normal variant just to give a key lighting thing, something like that. When you buy this light, it will just have this 5 centimeter wire, so you have to shoulder a wire or you have to attach a wire. You can do it on your own, but at your own risk, or if you just go to an electrician, it will do for 10 rupees only, something like that. So eye remote is there, so you have to position it here, so you can just change the color. So this how you can just change the color on the fly. So I feel this is a very good deal for the price you're paying, and you should get 2 or 3 something like that if you can afford, but one is more than enough for just giving a accent to a light. And yeah, also you can increase and decrease the light intensity just by tapping on the respective buttons. So this is for the video, and I hope this video helped you in some way. And if you like this kind of video, please like, subscribe and follow me on Instagram espn96. Until then, bye.